And the big story today, more rain and the threat of isolated flooding. Right now, much of North Carolina under a flood watch through tonight.
Heavy rain and those freezing temperatures out there are supposed to produce the first winter weather event for the western part of our state. And DOT crews there have loaded up the salt trucks. This is in Asheville, and they are working 24-hour shifts. The Triad and foothills could also see some ice. Ooh, no one wants that.
No one wants the ice. Today's heavy rain will only make conditions worse for communities along the Neuse River as well. Sky I-17 found some high water there when it flew over the river near Pool Road. This is in Raleigh.
Yeah, it is. And in central North Carolina, much of the same. Sky I-17 found water raging right here over the Little River Dam. We have two meteorologists in our studio this morning monitoring these slick roads and the radar for us to keep everyone safe.
Yep, and our Holden Krawicki is live on our mobile news tracker giving us a first-hand account of those nasty road conditions.
But first, we begin our team coverage with our Virshel Edmay, who is now live in Raleigh at a spot that's prone to flooding. And Virshel, you have been out there all morning in the rain. How are the conditions changing?
You know, the rain isn't as bad as it was, say, maybe 1 or even 2 hours ago. Kind of light drizzle, at least right here by Crabtree Creek off of Old Wake Forest Road. But still, the threat for that potential flooding here at that creek has brought about what you're seeing here. I wanted to step out to show you. That's the Hyundai there. Not a single car in sight. So if you were thinking about car shopping today, you might want to put it off just a little bit. The reason that they went ahead and moved their cars is this particular section by Crabtree Creek does tend to flood when we have rain, when we have thunderstorms, when we have hurricanes. So it does cause a problem. Something else that Raleigh officials are actually keeping their eye on when it comes to Crabtree Creek, it's a sewer spill that happened earlier in the week. So we're talking about Monday night here, 9 different locations, including Lassiter Falls Circle, where sewage overflowed from a manhole Monday night. Authorities confirmed that more than 100 gallons reached Crabtree Creek. So heavy rain earlier in the week really did overwhelm the city's sanitary sewer system, spilling that waste into the creek. So Raleigh officials have spent most of this week here trying to clean up and get crews out on those lines. They're also keeping a really close eye on some of our roads, interstates, to see if maybe they may flood because of the rain that we have. So I want to send things out to Holden Krawicki. He's been following and looking at what the roads look like. So Holden, any better out there?
Just exactly like you said, Virshel. You know, as this rain has kind of slowed down a little bit out here on the roads, it has got a little better, but there's a problem when you're driving. More people are out on the roads now heading to work, and it's kicking up that road spray that Aaron's been talking about this morning. I'm going to give you a little bit of a look at what I'm talking about here. As you can see, you know, this is I-40 heading towards Durham, and traffic really picking up out here this morning. Still not too bad, but people are really heeding our advice, taking their time. We're only doing about 50 miles an hour right now. And that's a good thing, because the slower we go, the less you have to worry about hydroplaning out here on the roadway, as there is some ponding in the road. It makes my heart skip a beat a little bit every time we hit one of those little isolated spots of some ponding. But for the most part, the biggest issue, again, is that road spray and maybe a little bit of mirroring effect off of the road. I'm going to toss it back into the studio now as I can continue to give you our updates throughout the morning as we get this rain event. Live in the Mobile News Tracker, Holden Krawicki, CBS 17 News.